Assalamualaikum semua dan selamat datang. Hari ini ialah video pertama yang saya akan buat. Mari saya perkenalkan diri. Nama channel saya ialah Shawar Pro. Hari ini saya akan bermain game yang dalam Roblox yang bernama Untitled Door Game. Mari kita main sama-sama. Game dia saya tak pasti tapi mungkin kena pergi sini. Dijin tajuk. Hai. Oh sure I do. You were the one who destroyed Area 55. Bukan Area 56 ke? What? I did. You didn't know? I guess you lost some memories during your deep sleep then, huh? I guess so. Could you tell me where am I? Whoa. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Jinta Joe. You may call me Joe for short, okay? Joe. Hi, Joe. Right now we are at Nestor Town. As you can see, it is in ruins. Behind you used to lie the exit. You usually panjang. Like you, for example. Malah nak baca. Bro. Wait, lamanya. To start exit. Oh, ada jalan ke belakang. Bye. Terima kasih, Joe. Okay, sekarang ni kita kena pergi sini. Lain macam je. What the... No. What? Press the square button to proceed with the dialogue. Press the circle button to skip the dialogue. Proceed. 5, 2, 7, 4. So basically kena tulis je. The clear button. Oh, 5, 2, 7, 4, 6, 5. Tak nampak pun. Okay. Oh, macam tu. THB. Tells you about the task. Here's what you have to do. What do I have to do? Talk to the hint. Oh, ni? Tells you about him. Need help finding the code? I do. Around where I am. Wah, mana dia? Maksudnya kat belakang. What? Benda ni. Oh, sudah. Mana kot? Wah, apa sih kat sana? Apa sih kat sana? benda ni? This is a button. Click on it. Okay. Oh tu. Teleporter. Okay, tekan. Oh. Hi, I'm called Helper Break. Do you want go to this room? I do. 4275. Oh, jadi jatuh. Sudah salah. Kena cakap balik baru. 4725. 4725. Oh, sekarang baru betul. Okay. Welcome to your first room. The code for this door is the number correct. Okay. Cik tahu apa ni? Macam mana kita nak tahu cik? Chapter 1. 1. Oh. Macam tu lah. The code is hidden somewhere in this room. Okay, jadi kita kena carilah. Apa sih? Dia selalu kat atas. The code is 6279. 6279. Oh, terima kasih. Oh, terima cakap dengan dia. Darab 3. 39 lah. Saya bukannya down matematik. Ingat saya down matematik. To find the code for this door, insert the code help. Press search. Okay. What? To find the code for this door, insert into the text box. Press search. Help. What? Okay, maaf guys. Tunggu lama sikit. Sekarang saya baru faham. Dia ada tunjukkan bawah tu. If you are here from room 4, the code is 2728. 2728. Boleh pula tulis kecil-kecil. Tak nampak lah. Look for the code settled around room first digit. Jadi 4. Oh, dia macam susun lah. Macam-macam key finder. Ke atas. Mana ni? Apa sih salah? Kejap. Untuk kesuju. Betul lah kan? What? Mana ya guys? Kalau jumpa. Mungkin hentam dah. Oh, dah dapat. Okay. If your progress be safe at any point, you may have the code is limited. What? 5 704 234 7. Oh, susah. Hin. Nak hin? Well, what? Are you going to? But it's right there. What? Tak ada pintu. Patutlah. The shape is a circle. The code is based on the color of. Ingat saya butuh warna ke 9834. Okay. The code is okay. Jadi helper break. Kenapa? 4 hidden buttons in this room. Macam dalam room ke dekat luar? Ni. Oh ni. What? Mana? Guys, kalau jumpa, oh, tersembunyi kat situ. Oh, dia jumpa 5183. Some rooms include different. Just keep it here. Okay, nice work on getting the first double digit room. The room previously. Tak tu data help. Okay, door. Dia cakap doors. Okay. Terima kasih. Okay. So, please. The code is in this order. Task helper breathe. Task helper. Oh, jadi talk to the task helper breathe. What? Click on as the previous. Wait. Oh. Maaf ya guys. Sebab sekarang baru saya faham. Yang dia cakap ni. Okey, mula-mula kita tekan ni. Ni dengan ni. Kan? Oh. What? Apa si kecil tu? Wait. Bukan bilik ni ke? The code is in the Roman numerals on the floor. It's a replica of this room, not too shabby. Oh, jadi. Okey, nasib dia ada kat sini. Useless button. Okey. Okey, mula-mula kita satu IV V 2. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Look at this front of this sign. P. Oh, huruf juga lah. Okay, apa kali? Okey lah guys, sampai sini sajalah video kita hari ini. Walaupun ni video pertama saya, tolonglah like dan subscribe. Maaf atas kesulitan video ini. Terima kasih. Bye korang.